Now we're going to create a virtual device where you can run your app, test it, and do a lot more. So we're going to start by going to Android Studio and click on Device Management on the right side right here. Click on Create Device and then choose whatever version you want. I find that the best version is the Pixel 7 Pro, and make sure that there is a Play Store sign right next to it. This means that you will have access to the Play Store on this device, and then click Next. Choose the software that you want to run on. The best way I found is Q version, and then click on Next. Choose a name for your virtual device and click Finish. You will see this page, and this is your virtual device. And then when you head to the right tab right here where it says Paid, it says Paid because I named my virtual device Paid, but you will find your device name right here. In any case, simply click on Paid or whatever you named your device, and then click on the play sign right next to it. And that's your virtual device, where you can run your app, test it, and do a lot more.